I mentioned the SUVs were the alpha in the reporting story for the car makers. GM is there expecting better profit this year on those truck sales in the US, led the automaker to raise its 2024 guidance by $500 million. Abigail Doolittle, have you got a truck, Abby?
I do not have a truck, although I do have an SUV, so I guess I'm in that larger car category. But investors really liking this quarter and the outlook, Manas. The stock up right now about 5%, the best day going back to January. They put up a very nice beat across the board, adjusted earnings of $2.62, 24% better than expected. Revenues of $43 billion, 2% better than expected in a difficult environment. And you were mentioning that they did increase guidance from a net income standpoint by $300 million for the year to between $10.1 billion and $11.5 billion. So some positive cheer there. CFO Paul Jacobson giving some good color, saying the U.S. consumer, despite rising rates, remains very resilient. They also mentioned, he also mentioned that pricing was about flat in the quarter. So it seems as though there's some pricing resilience there. It could erode as the year goes on. But again, the net income, they seem to be managing any sort of issue there that could happen. And all this U.S. strength, well, it set off some of the China, offset some of the China weakness given the competition in China from some of the Chinese car makers. Into today, Manas, the stock up 20% year to date. A banner year so far for GM.